What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I want to address a great question. I want to answer actually a great question from someone within my Facebook group who asked me about a particular product called iPassive, and he goes on about how he's watching my reviews and how he enjoys my content. First off, I want to thank you, Jason. I'm not going to reveal his full name because, well, I'm sure he wants his privacy. But thank you, Jason, for saying so. And one thing that he notices that I praise this course, iPassive, a lot. I say a lot of good things about this course, iPassive. And he also noticed that other people, other marketers are talking about iPassive months after it was released, okay? And he wants to know what I think about it. Why do I talk about this course on and on? Why am I singing its praises to this day? Well, first thing you got to know is the history of iPassive and where it came from. See, back in the day, when I say back in the day, I mean like 2 or 3 years ago. People can go to Muncheye, right? They can look up an upcoming product. Let's say for this example, Rejacker. That's a terrible sounding name, but whatever. Rejacker. They can look up this course, Rejacker, and they can make a video Rejacker review. Now, I'm sure there are a ton of videos. You see? You can easily, back in the day, not anymore, back in the day, create a video with a review of a particular product, and you can have that traffic funneled down to your link, and you can send that link, and you can convert a good portion of that traffic, of that launch jacking traffic, convert that into sales. Now, first off, even if a person thinks a product is crap, some marketers, some nefarious marketers will promote anything. They'll just promote day in, day out, whatever product they find here, regardless if it works or not, because they know they can get free traffic real quick and turn that traffic into profit. Now, the thing is, like I said, this was a viable option for a newbie back in the day, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. These days, the market's saturated. Look at all these reviews. Look at all these reviews by these heavy, well, I should say, super affiliates that have crowded the market. Okay, enter Marc Furness. Now, Marc Furness is the creator of the iPassive method. Again, if you're watching this on YouTube, check out the link below. I talk more about iPassive and the bonuses I provide. Marc Furness, I've known this guy for several years now. And I knew him. I've known him since he was a newbie, when he wasn't making any sales online. And now he has an amazing YouTube channel. It's called Not Taught at School. And he gets all this traffic. He has a very particular way. It's called the iPassive method. A very particular way to rank these specific YouTube videos, and this works in several niches. And he can make passive income on even old Warrior Plus or old JVZoo products, whatever he finds here, and whatever product he likes and thinks is a good match for his audience. He'll make a video revolving around the ideas, the broad concepts of that product, and it will rank very well. And I'm giving you the broad strokes here. All the details you can find within the iPassive course. And I urge you to go look around. If you find some really good iPassive bonuses somewhere, by all means, just shop around. Anyways, he took what he learned, and his mentor, by the way, is Andy Haffel, and this guy is a big time internet marketer. And from my understanding, Marc was mentored by Andy, and he condensed it down into the iPassive course. So again, I've known Marc Furness from when he just started online on YouTube, and he was able to take his little channel from 0 to over 48,000 subscribers. In comparison, I just have 6,000 subscribers, okay? So he surpassed me and several other contemporaries of mine in a matter of months following the iPassive method, or the method that he created, okay? Now, review or launch jacking, traditional launch jacking, where you put the keyword of the product. For example, I just found this product, Rejacker. This type of make money online method, again, if you're a newbie, it's very hard, okay? It's very hard because, again, the market's saturated. I can still do this. If you go to my channel, you'll see I have a blend of review courses. Now, I review a product if I like the product. That's number one. Number one, I review the product if I either have experience with it or it makes sense to me. Okay, in the sense that it has a reliable traffic source. You don't need the OTOs. That's very important for me. And if there are case studies, even that's even better, right? So as you see my channel here, I have a mixture of reviews. Let me show you a review. Where's the review? Where's a good review example? I'm sure. Here we go. Here's a review video I made here recently for a product called Invisible, based off a product from a guy who uses solo ads. Okay, but these days I'm using the iPassive method more and more and more because I have all of these case studies, my own personal case studies from different niches where I profit online, and a lot of the methods that are offered, for example, some of the courses that are offered on Munchai, I can relate these different products, the methods behind these products, with my own personal case studies. So it's perfect for me, okay? So I can, for example, this ugly sweater course where this guy, Alessandro, teaches people how to sell ugly sweaters on POD or print-on-demand websites. I have experience selling POD products. So this is perfect for me. I can give my case study and I can tell people that yes, most definitely this product works if you apply it because it's the same kind of principles, the same kind of methods I use to profit online using PODs or print on demand products, okay? So that's an example, right? So if you're a newbie and you want to profit online using YouTube and selling digital products on YouTube, the iPassive method is ideal, okay? I wouldn't do traditional launch jacking like the one I just showed you because you're gonna have to deal with these guys, and these guys have lists, giant lists. These guys have bigger YouTube channels and more authority and trust. You won't. It'll be very hard for you to crack on in and take their traffic. Okay, that's what I think. iPassive is great if you're a newbie. Another thing, make sure that you promote products that you actually believe in or you have experience with because, well, your reputation's on the line. And that's it. That's what I have to say about it. Again, Jason, great question. I hope I answered it. If you have any more questions, let me know and I'll make another video. Good night, take care, and don't forget to like and subscribe.